Don't tell him. Tell him in there. What are you doing? What'd you ask me if I wanted to do?
Go karaoke.
Really?
Mm-hmm. They brought a karaoke machine.
Cool.
They brought our karaoke.
Where's your sister and your brother?
They're up in there. Hello, everyone.
Hello, stranger.
I got these shelves for you.
Georgia, why are you mad at me?
I'm not mad at you. They're shelves.
Looking at my shovel.
She must be mad at me, too.
I'm not mad at you.
Hmm?
I'm not mad at you.
Really? Tell the truth.
I'm not mad at
We
you.
love you. What about Amy? You must be mad at her, too.
I'm not mad at you. Well, anyone. They're saying I'm better than everyone.
Hi.
I even have to karaoke with us. Oops, sorry.
Close one. You and Annie Jill are dressed the same.
Black shirt, jeans. Hi.